Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting methodology, a strategy that can help you scale your business. And obviously, if you're an individual that is just starting off with dropshipping, then this is definitely a video that you should watch till the end, because we're going to look at some of the very interesting elements to help you develop a strategy that you can scale and make successful at the same time. And obviously, if you look at the bigger companies, either be Nike, Adidas, Apple, Google, you'll understand that they always do their research and they try to understand the consumer behavior. And whenever they understand the consumer behavior, they're able to understand what the consumer wants. And once you are able to do that, then you're able to create products and services that can be met for the needs and wants of the masses that are available, that are living across continents and countries and cities and regions. And that is where the true success comes from. Now, one of the major places that you can start your journey from is eBay.com, because eBay.com has everything that you require. You can sell, you can buy, you can trade, you can auction, you can do anything and everything. And there's so many options to go into. And one of the best things that I love about eBay.com is the categories that they have. You got electronics, and then subcategories, you have so many options. You got motors, you got fashion, you got collectibles and art, you got sports, health and beauty, industrial equipment, and home and gardens, and deals as well. Now, one of the things which I recommend individuals before they get into the dropshipping business is to make sure that they understand how they need to do research, because finding the right product is crucial for beginning and starting a successful business. And that is the reason why I recommend every individual to select a niche, stick to that niche. Don't go and actually diversify your portfolio from the start. That is a step that you should take down the line from 3 to 6 months once you understand the dynamics and the ups and downs and how you need to do things on eBay.com. And the safest niche to go for is electronics. Now, obviously, once we look in electronics, you'll see that there's a lot of options that are available and the sub niches that exist at the same time. Now, you can go for cell phones, smartwatches, computers, TV and audios, car electronic, GPSs, Apples, portable audio headphones, surveillances, and video consoles as well. And the thing that really makes this element stand out is the fact that this is a niche that is evergreen. It breaks through the limitations such as gender, age, location, and focuses on an evergreen opportunity for you guys, because this is a product that you can store and sell whenever and wherever you want. And one of the things I always believe, that if you want to enter electronics, don't go for something very expensive. Keep your budget between $500 to $1,000 and reinvest that money and grow your business based on those principles, because at the end of the day, you want to make money and not lose a lot of money and not take a lot of risk at the initial stages. So you got to understand exactly what you need to do it and how you need to do it. For example, if you look at this particular item, this is sold for $11.99. This is sold for $4.99. We're going to check in a second exactly if this is a product that is making money or not. Is this something that you should definitely invest in or let go? And obviously, I'm going to show you the right methodology and the research method that you need to acquire. And the first place that you need to head over is to the eBay Sellers Hub. And once you get over there, you'll see this option over here that says research. And obviously, this is one of the most important parts for you to understand, because research is literally the cornerstone for success. Any dropshipping business that goes in detail and researches their product before selling it, they will ensure that their product is going to be successful. So we're looking at headphones. So we're going to search for headphones, and we're going to see how the headphones had done in the last year. For 1 year, how much have they been sold? What kind of business that they did? Now, the average selling price was $73 and the free shipping was 76%. Total sold were 2.9 million. Total sales are 293,000 and the total sales are $216 million. Now, this gives you an overview of exactly what is happening in the industry. Now, if you look at the graph, which I feel is very interesting, because whenever there's a product that you want to select, you got to make sure the graph looks like this. This literally means that every single day of the year, this product is being sold and someone is buying this product, and that is an evergreen product. If the graph goes low and high and low and high, that means that this product is seasonal. It's not being sold every single day. You want to select and put those products that are selling every single day on your eBay.com, on your eBay account, to start selling. Now let's look at what kind of profit people have been making. The average price sold is $19.98. They have no average shipping, is 100% free. They have sold 47,000 and made sales worth $939,000. That is almost $1 million off one product. If you scroll down, you'll see 880,000. This individual has made $1.8 million, 16,552,000. Now $1.2 million for this this product. They've sold 4,843 of these at $255 a pop, and they've made an astonishing amount of $1.2 million. So let's check out this particular element over here, this product, and see exactly what kind of element this is. Now, this is a certified refurbished product, and this has been sold for $279. And obviously, if you look at the information that's been provided, this is not a new product, this is a refurbished product, and still they made a lot of money off this. They made exactly $1.2 million off this one product, guys, and so could you. And the thing that you need to understand is the amount of research and selection of the product that you want to get. And it's for that reason I'm going to introduce to another place that you can do your research, which is the zanalytics.com. Now, you got to understand there's two methodologies of research. One is primary research and the second is secondary research. You got to understand what kind of research you're doing. Right now, we live in a time and period where there's research that has already been done for us. We just need to understand how to understand that element and that information to use it for ourselves. And that is where Zik Analytics comes in. Now, they empower your business with smart insights, then dominate your market at the same time. And obviously, you can try out all this information that's available. They remove the guesswork from the product research. They understand the profitability of the niche. They uncover hot products for you, and they set the right prices, and they build tiles and attract buyers at the same time. 100,000 eBay sellers are using it. They've done more than 100 million products that are available for search, and they have sales generated with Zik worth $750 million. Now, there's two methods, manual research and doing Zik Analytics that we're talking about. Now, they take care of everything from a user interface, automated tools, growing your stores, uncovering low competition, products that are backed by sales data, so they're likely to sell, like I'm showing you on eBay. Now, you can do all of that with the help of Zik Analytics, because since 2016, Zik Analytics has helped over 100,000 people to start their eBay business, and they have cutting-edge eBay product research software analyzing thousands of listings every single second of the day, and they provide the resources and the training to make you a success on eBay. And I personally believe that is literally the cornerstone for success. If you have the support, if you have the right understanding, if you have the correct strategy, and you know exactly how to implement those strategies, then you can scale your business and become successful at the same time. And that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you guys, to give you the right element and give you the right information, the right tips and tricks to ensure that you can successfully start your business, scale your business, and become financially independent and break away from the 9-to-5 and get that financial freedom that you always wanted. So if you have any questions, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.